Welcome back to Vintage American Cocktail, the YouTube, mobile app, and website dedicated to giving you historically accurate cocktail recipes and the techniques to make them correctly. So this here is a post-Prohibition style Manhattan. It's the type of Manhattan you'll get if you ordered one today. It's very different from the pre-Prohibition style Manhattan, which I already did a video about. So roll up your sleeves, sun's out, guns out, and let's make this beautiful Manhattan. Now the Manhattan is a pretty straightforward recipe. You're just looking at 2 ounces of bourbon, or rye whiskey, whichever you prefer, 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, and you're looking at 2 dashes of Angostura or aromatic bitters. So this is a cocktail you'll build in a mixing glass, so you'll need a mixing glass filled with ice, a jigger, and you'll want to measure out 2 ounces of bourbon. And next you'll want to measure out 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. Now you may want to get a nicer sweet vermouth for this cocktail, but you don't have to. Usually they're all about the same, and even the cheap ones are pretty good. But the nice ones are really good too. And next you'll want to add about 2 dashes, which equals about 1 ml or about 20 drops of Angostura Bitters. I like to measure mine into a jigger just in case I make a mistake. I can reverse that, which you can't really do if you're dashing it into there directly. And next we'll want to stir this cocktail. What we're looking to do here is chill and dilute the cocktail, so the drink can only get as cold as the ice itself, obviously. And once it gets to that point, which is about 20 to 30 seconds into stirring, you're not going to have any more ice melting and it's not going to get any colder. So there's no point in continuing after that, and that's time to stop. And next we'll want to get our serving glass here. Since there's no ice cube going into this glass, it's nice if you chill the glass beforehand, just to help keep it cold. Strain the cocktail in. And lastly, we'll garnish this bad boy with a Maraschino Cherry. And you can just drop it on in there if you'd like, or you can use a cocktail pick like this. Let's go ahead and stick it in the glass, and there you go, you're done. Super simple. And here you have a perfect, spot-on, post-Prohibition style or present-day Manhattan. If you like this recipe, please check out my mobile app, vintageamericancocktail.com, where I have hundreds of classic cocktail recipes I've painstakingly researched for accuracy and tastiness. Also, too, I worked really hard on, so I'm quite proud of it. And if there's a cocktail or ingredient I have not yet covered that you'd like me to check out, please leave a comment telling me which one. Thank you and enjoy.